Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 90-day reporting. We're specifically discussing this in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic and the shutdown here in Thailand. Now, for those who are unaware, and we have multiple videos on this channel regarding this topic, the COVID-19 shutdown has prompted Thai immigration to issue a visa amnesty. It has also caused them to go ahead and waive the requirement that usually is in place, which requires foreigners in Thailand in non-immigrant visa status to do 90-day reporting. They have to report every 90 days their whereabouts to Thai immigration. That requirement has been waived beginning March 26th and extending to July 31st. But I have had a lot of people ask me, and I did a prior video on this about the waiver of the 90-day reporting, because it's a little bit unclear as how this is going to work following the lifting of the lockdown. Notably, the amnesty lifts presumably on July 31. So August 1, does everyone's 90-day report period begin again on that date? And so therefore everyone will need to report 90 days later? It remains to be seen. We're not sure. I'm kind of thinking they're just going to view this whole period as sort of a blackout period, and your 90-day reporting increments, whatever it was, it will continue to be. So if you had one 90-day report during this period that you missed, as long as you make your next one on the same timeline as was done, as if the COVID-19 had never occurred, as if the lockdown had never occurred, they'll just go ahead and allow you to keep doing that. At the same time, I could see them saying, well, no, we're going to reset it all, and the clock starts again from August 1. Difficult to foresee. We don't really have any insight onto the exact details of that as of the time of this video. But I have had some questions from clients, especially within the firm, because we have still been doing B visa extensions, work permit extensions. I mean, folks that are here in non-immigrant status, especially extension status, they need to maintain their status as they otherwise would. And because their status goes out past the amnesty period. And the amnesty period, honestly, really was designed for tourists trapped in Thailand. Now, they extended it out from the first announcement to the second announcement to clearly cover non-immigrants, because there were just a lot of people that were just sort of falling out from under the regulations as they originally were stipulated. But with respect to 90-day reporting specifically, I've had people ask me, well, should I continue to do it? If you can, I don't think it's a terrible idea, especially online. If you've been doing it online or by post, continue doing it online. I mean, why not? Just, yeah, it's kind of an inconvenience, but might as well, because frankly, I think it's a good idea to do that, because then it's clear your chain of your sort of calendar for 90-day reporting remains unchanged. I think there's a strong argument to be made that if you make use of the waiver of 90-day reporting, it could reset your clock after the July 31st deadline comes and goes, and then you're doing 90-day reporting in this huge herd of people that also partook of the waiver. So I think there's some benefit to continuing to do one's reports. We're assisting clients in doing them that are within the firm anyway, both live in person as well as online. So those who are interested in continuing to do it, notwithstanding the waiver of the requirement, feel free to contact us. But you don't have to. Let me be clear. Nobody needs to do this, because it's clearly been waived as a result of the emergency decree and the immigration regulations promulgated therefrom. But if you sort of want to keep your calendar where it always was, and you want to be sure that after the lockdown and the amnesty come to an end, that you're still going to be reporting in the same timeline that you otherwise did, not a terrible idea to go ahead and look into 90-day reporting, notwithstanding the waiver.